front of me is XIAOMI Pad 8, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on microphone at the top right corner. If you can't see it, select gear icon over here. Click on voice typing on the left and activate it thanks to gray switcher. Now go back and tap on visible microphone. If you never used it before, make sure to tap on while using the app in the pop-up and then start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wanna stop, you can pause or click on the same microphone. Quick tip, you can turn on voice typing and tap on minimize, that will appear on the left. This way you can use voice typing from this toolbar. To delete text on the go, use this button with an X. To add emojis, click on emoji icon over here. Tap on the ones you wanna add and close emoji keyboard thanks to this X at the top right corner. If you want to access some available settings from here, click on those three lines on the left. If you want to move your toolbar around, just hold it and drag it. To go back to standard keyboard, use keyboard icon, and if you can't, add emojis over here. Go back to standard keyboard, tap on gear icon I mentioned before, select voice typing and enable emojis on toolbar over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!